Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to the online session once again with the continuity of the same topic from unit 11, and our topic is usage glossary. As you know, that glossary means alphabetical list of words with meaning that are difficult to distinguish from one another, so that are called glossary. And that is a series which is in unit 11. Today we will take page 225 and 226. So 225 would be classwork and 226 would be homework, inshallah. So please open your grammar and language workbook 225. Today we are taking a pair of words. So the first one is leave, to sit, usage. The first one is leave. Leave means to go away. Leave means to go away, while let means to allow. So let means to allow. And these are two examples. We will leave for the game soon. We will leave for the game soon. Let me carry that package for you. So the second example of let me carry, it means allow me to carry that package for you. And we have another pair of glossary, that is lose and lose. So how would you distinguish between two? So the first one, lose with double O, means not firmly attached. The first one with double O, lose, means not firmly attached. It means something is not strongly linked or attached to something or to someone. And the second, lose with single O, means to misplace. To misplace or to fail to win. So the second, lose with single O, means to misplace or to fail to win. So these are the example. The shutters are loose. It means not firmly attached. It means like they are detached. Is the opposite of attached is detached. The shutters are loose. Example number 2, do not lose the house key. So do not lose the house key. Example number 3, I hope we don't lose the game. I hope we don't lose the game. Moving to the next pair, and the first one is raise and the second one is rise. Raise with A-I, R-A-I-S-E, raise, and the second one rise, R-I-S-E. So the first one, raise, R-A-I-S-E, means to cause to move upward. To cause to move upward. And the second one, rise, which is R-I-S-E, means to move forward. To move forward. So example for the first word, raise. Raise the painting a little higher. Raise the painting a little higher. And example number 2 for the rise, the hot air balloon began to rise. Now next pair, sat and sit. The first one is sat. S-A-T, sat means to place or to put. To place or to put, while sit means to place oneself in a seated position. Example for the first S-A-T, sat. Please set that package on the floor. And example for S-I-T, sit. Don't sit on the wet paint. Now exercise 1. Underline the word in parentheses that best completes each sentence. So the first example has been given in your book. The director, Mrs. Kwan, sets her chair at the front of the stage. Sentence number 1, which is exercise. Everyone sit down so we can read the play, she said. Everyone sit down so we can read the play, she said. Sentence number 2, Alma said, I didn't mean to lose my script, but I did. Sentence number 3, she asked me to let her read from my copy. Sentence number 4, Mrs. Kwan didn't sit quietly as we read. Sentence number 5, she liked to rise often and show us where a piece of furniture would be placed on stage. She liked to rise often and show us where a piece of furniture would be placed on stage. Sentence number 6, wear old loose clothing for rehearsal because the stage will be very dusty, she warned us. Loose clothing, detached, it means not firmly attached. Sentence number 7, my character was a young girl who wanted to leave her small hometown and go to work in a factory. My character was a young girl who wanted to leave her small hometown and go to work in a factory. Sentence number 8, she wanted to raise from the position of worker to supervisor of the factory. Sentence number 9, one of the other characters tried not to let her get ahead. One of the other characters tried not to let her get ahead. Now dear students, please complete the following page as your homework, which is related to the same topic, and the page is 226. Thank you very much and have a nice day.